Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random MAC address of your OnePlus 15. Okay, but first we need to type our IMEI number right in here. To check it, open up your phone app, click on the keypad and type this code. Now enter your IMEI number, then click on check. Scroll down until you find the basic checks and click on MAC address generator. Now type your true MAC address. To check it, open up the settings, scroll down, click on about device, scroll down again. Now the status, and in here we have our device Wi-Fi MAC address. Enter it and click on generate. Scroll down again. And in here we have 10 random MAC addresses that we can copy. To copy this, for example, this address, click on that icon, or you can copy all of them if you click on Call All MACs. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.